Hello, my name is Patrick Roll. Today I'll be teaching you and introducing you a website called GameBattles.com. GameBattles.com is a competitive gaming website that supports Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, PC, and many other systems. Game Battles is used to create teams and compete against other players and teams across the country. I'll show you some of the features and functions of this website. Starting off, you want to go to GameBattles.com. It's going to be the first link. You click on it, and I'm already signed in, but normally what you would do is go to login and sign up. You would create an account or log in if you already have one. So I'm already logged in here. Okay, so once I'm in, I can view my teams right here. So these are all my teams on different games. These ones are Call of Duty Black Ops 4, Call of Duty World War, Fortnite, and Call of Duty Remastered. So here are some ways that you can function this website. You can go to your profile, which is right here. This is what every other gamer sees when they invite you to a team or view your profile. So this right here is your Game Battle score. This score gets lower every time you win games and get XP for winning matches. Here's your profile picture, which you can edit by going right here to the edit profile. And you would select profile picture or avatar. Now, you can also go to friend invites. If you have friends on the same website, you can send them invites or you can accept invites. You can also accept team invites, as I do right here. This is an old team, so I'm going to decline it. There's also an inbox option where you get all your updates for matches, if you won or lost, or if there are problems. So I can go right there. These ones are already old matches. You can see March. And you can also claim your prizes right in this setting. I haven't won any, but if you win tournaments, you can claim your cash prizes or your XP credits that go towards the website. To manage your teams, click on your team. And right here, you can view all your matches that you've played. It shows all the XP that you've earned for each match and what you've lost. If you lost a match, you lose your XP. Going into the ladder side, once on the team, this will show you the different ladders that you can compete in. Team ladder competes in 5 and 4 and 3s, 3 players at a time. Doubles would consist of 2 players on a team, and singles would consist of 1-on-1 players. You can also view your other teams and manage different functions through your messages, friend requests, team invites, and prize claims like I mentioned. Alright, this is how to access GameBattles.com. Hope you enjoyed.